This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video, we're going to take you through general tasks, which is basically anything else in the stable, as well as farrier and dentist requests. You can access it via schedule and these schedule tabs again, and either add a new task here or using the add anywhere button here you can add a general task. They're pretty simple, straightforward. You can select a horse if you've got something specific that's not transport procedures or track work. So if you're looking to add some shoes, choose a farrier, choose what you want. You can add in new items here, select from presets if you wish, or you can choose dentist, teeth clean, or it can be other, and it can also be for no horses. So something as trivial as make me coffee right now, create, and that'll just go in there. It'll be assigned to Don, and then as per usual, once it's complete, it's done. So if you go back to farriers, 2 heart bars, select the supplier, create. Again, that will show up in the horse if you've selected it under general, and it will also show up in the schedule page. Oh, sorry, the lifetime view. The other thing, obviously, it can also be used for creating markers in the diary. So you might have something that you want to remind yourself of for 29th, and it can be a there, so it'll be there. If you've got any questions about how to add general tasks or the role of farriers and dentists, please don't hesitate to shoot us an email at support@prism.horse. Cheers.